Here is how to split a PDF and extract exactly the page you need.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
It's all free and it takes under a minute. First, go to this website. Link will be in the description below or in the pinned comment. You can find it. Now, click on the split PDF. Upload your file. Now select the pages or range you want to extract. Click Split. Download your new file. Done. Clean and simple. In the next video, I'll teach you how to turn photos into PDF.